Are you?
UPC.
UPC.
Oh, UPC.
Apoy uno ba? Tuna be. Apoy lenyo.
Thank you so much.
I have a lot to say, but let me try and summarize. I am honored to be here. And I'm honored also to meet people of different ages. Because as a society, it's important to be able to communicate to the next generation. Of late, I have been on a campaign for the restoration of the cattle in the north and eastern Uganda. But when I've been on this one, I have also tried to inspect the cattle dips which were there to protect the animals against vectors like ticks. But how to treat the animals so that they do not get these ticks and infect other animals. But then along the way I found out that there are very many young people who do not know the cattle dips. There are very many of our young people who never saw the animals we talk about today. Now my question comes about who is going to teach them? How are we going to teach the next generation the importance of raising cattle? How are we going to make sure that they understand the diseases which affect the cattle and are able to protect the animals? So I need to ask, who is going to do it? Who knows how to do it that they will teach the next generation? And that is why I have been saying of late, it's not enough to say we want the animals back, but we must go through the process. And when we get our animals, we can maintain them, we can treat them, and we can help multiply and have quality animals. And that is why I can tell people that there are those who are in authority who are lying to us that they are going to restore animals. Because the truth is, if you are a serious farmer, the first thing you do is how you're going to protect the animals. The issue of dipping an animal is like washing. You have to wash this animal at least every week or every 2 weeks, depending on the weather. I know these days many people spray. But whatever you spray, when it goes into the ground, it is finished, it is gone. The dip is the most cost-effective method of maintaining and controlling the vectors like ticks in cattle.
Kena kiluoni dipi, uberu kena pire tek ma ene idong romo luako diang o weng lawa achil, ma wego tu pe mako diang tu me ukuru pe mako diang, diang ukuru to kata ke dong ki kero diang udonyo ki ye.
But I've been looking for working deep tank.
Eno do aberu ka yenyo.
I am looking, I am yet to find one.
Tudo tiga yenyo ni ko Amerika nung mo en kinu makiluoni dipi na yenya ngara chil, maromo konyo wada lutu diang pi chani.
And these ones were everywhere. They were in Acholi, they were in Lango, they were in Teso. But today you cannot find them.
Kena kiluoni dipi jowa mapol kingeo nugiti lao tiwe teso we ya choli ka no dung mera ta eno kompeti pede ne kere wa chil mo.
And that is why I have been pushing this issue.
You know, we are on a lep to get chor, came up here attack to one, you mere local kutumba bay, where Germany could do chen.
If people are serious about the restocking of animals or bring back animals, you will start with the protection of those animals from ticks.
Kada down tiki lock mopera takadani, mere yangwa, mere wanong, chicken a pair takong, ki chak a kim guapo and gay enony, where Germany make it one tippy. You can roach to good dojo, which I teach.
I am ready to fight to be able to teach the young people of northern Uganda and eastern Uganda how to take care of animals.
When you might do to prepare me, Coin, Jomati, Kumalame, Uganda, Uganda kind to Twale, Luwaka, anywhere. I don't pingo, deep on the pair attack. You don't pingo, Kiromo, or game again, Concubate Mayor.
Let us not just talk, but we must also be people of action.
They were Loga, Walker, teach.
Therefore, for me, I've taken it upon myself, I'm going to start work on repairing some of these dips.
And I'll be what you will achieve my pair attack. And I'll be chow teach me rocho. Deep again, we are good to teach, Udodo.
Let those who are still in government today know that we are serious. We want our animals.
We are going to take a mentally. Can go any longer, but you will really want me. We are good to chen.
Because the animals were much more than just animals.
Yanni, Jenny, no matter what, dad, of piggy deck and a pretend looking at young again.
Amongst all communities who keep animals, they know that animals are more than that. They are banking system for the whole community.
Jomagi Quaho Yang, King of Bear, the Nitian Beru Loyo, Makian Kikano Chanagi, ye, don't bear a pair of technical can no. Uberu Gina, did mother mean you better live.
My Councillor Bo was talking about those who want to be doctors, want to be lawyers, want to be whatever. There are times where fees may not be there, but if you have animals, you can make sure a child goes to school.
Councillor Mamego Beruka watching Karmo Bio, Mano, we're taking doctors, we're taking Jemukan, and ento. Can you be the fool? My God, I don't try to Libena, Gipuano, Giberu, Lutia, Magaria.
Therefore, this is something which I'm not ready to give up on or to compromise on.
In the area, Lord, chill. Man, Papi Dog, ye chin, my 12, you twin and put Timmy, made dog chin a year, a bit mere no mere roach could do chin.
And it's not like I'm demanding something which is not ours.
Pepe and it and look any anti me to Geno, Pemegua.
It's not like I want to take these animals from somebody else.
But it and look any amilk when you gain a child mare born at more Mukana and a party.
In this particular case, we need restorative justice to restore what was there before.
It and look, he one or mirror roche ming all mati. Racobetie.
And we must all know that the cattle provided us a social protection which helped raise the whole society.
Pero meaning any, better one more berry, meaning what car, me better gonya, where one benwa, you totally were roach, who are me better machine.
And I, as Jim AKENA, I'm not just talking for the sake of talking.
And Mare Machalo Jim AKENA, Yang and Palo, Piano down to law.
My animals were also taken.
And Mary Jane when you.
When they took my animals, they killed my grandfather.
Karma, when Jane could never ban a deep bay.
I want my animals back.
And I'm a Jane, I could do chen.
So, as we head into 2026,
Machado Dum, what watch Akemi Pierre or Bichel.
there are many issues which need to be addressed.
Locked it wrong, Mumira Kitty, ye.
But all of them center around how are we going to make sure the future works for us.
Germany when Mary Luare, Kidma, and Nimwa were Mernico Bedkere.
I want to be in a situation where I know that the young people who are growing up, the children who are here, tomorrow will have a great future in Uganda.
Mirana Bedi Tekare, Manu Angioni, Jowa nyolo tian wa magitiga bino nyalwak mabino ya nyim ko bedo ki nyim mabe da kenne.
And for that to happen, many things have to be working.
Wakeno bene go tiene ba tije mapol mumiar ko mete ki tich bene.
And that's why I said I have many things to say, but let me try to summarize.
En keno wa wa ni longa mer dua ta yana wa wa ma cheche.
And therefore I started on this issue, which is an issue which has been with us for very many years.
Wa kong do chak en kilo en madu bedo mer fe mo ka madua.